I'm Chad.
I'm Dad. No, wait a minute, I'm supposed to be Dad first.
Oh yeah, you're Dad.
I'm Dad.
I'm Chad, and this is our channel. All right, guys. So what I wanted to show you guys today was how I got screwed over on eBay. No surprise, huh? So we have 3 fleet trucks for our business, and I do my own maintenance, oil filters, oil changes, and fuel filters and air filters. The transmission service, differential service, I take to the dealer to have done. But what I want to show you guys today, what this video is about you guys, if you do your own service, pay attention to these filters, because I bought these filters off eBay. They were $108 and change shipped, and you got both fuel filters and an oil filter, which is significantly cheaper. So last night, the truck, you can see it in the back, I pulled both fuel filters out, and I went to install this one, which is the under cab filter, and it looked like it was, I don't know, burned or something right here. And then I noticed there was no writing on this filter. So OEM filter, this, I compared it to the one I took out, and everything is the same. It has writing on it. It says FCA and has the part number, and then it says Parker, which I'm assuming Parker makes these for Dodge, and then Dodge just puts their name on it. I don't know, but the other one actually says Fleet Guard on it, the other OEM filter. So I'm assuming they make them for Dodge. But anyway, so here's the difference. This is the ripoff that I got. And I'm going to open this because I'm going to install it shortly, so I'll show you guys. So you see nothing's burning there, and then you see the burn weird melted in there, and then you see the numbers. This one says POM on it, and then it has these 2 little indentions. This one does not. And then you flip it over, and it's a different color, and this has, what did I say, the FCA, the part number, Parker, and then Parker's part number, and then US patent. It says POM again, and different color. The pleats look wider than these guys. So this is, again, the one I got, the bad one, and then this came from the dealership. So we're going to weigh these guys. And the bad one weighs 7 ounces exactly, and the factory one weighs 6.4. So actually 0.6 ounces lighter, which is surprising, than the aftermarket. They sort of look similar on the inside. Little bit of a difference, and then the gasket looks different as well. So anyway, so be careful, guys. Factory one weighs 7 ounces. You saw the difference that I showed you guys. So I'm going to put the factory one back in here. That's a crappy one, and that's going to go in the trash. I bought them too long ago off eBay, and I stock them on the shelf. I keep them on the shelf, that way when we're ready, we have them. So the price, again, on eBay for the 3 filters was $108 shipped. And last night I thought I could get the factory filters at O'Reilly's. Ended up getting one of them. List price was $177.95 for the under cab, or the under hood engine compartment filter. List was $177.95, and I got it for $94.49. There is a place online called Diesel Fuel Filters. I'll put a link. I'm not affiliated with them at all, but I just ordered, was $75 for this guy and $40 for this guy. So I ordered 2 sets, and I'm going to inspect them when I get them. And if they're crap, they're going back, and then I'll just buy from the dealer from now on. The undercab at the dealer was $74.70, and they sold it to me for $65. I'm sure people that buy more get better prices, or maybe have a buddy at the dealership. But online through that Diesel Fuel Filters, it was $75 and $40, so $115, and then shipping was $6 and tax, so about $130 for the 2 filters. And then you can get the Mopar oil filter at Walmart. They're like $20, or they were last time I bought them. They might have gone up. So where is my head out here? Oh, I wanted to weigh this guy. So this is the crappy one, and it weighs 5.5 ounces. And I don't know if you guys can see that, 5.5 ounces, and then the actual Mopar weighs 7.5, so that's 2 ounces, in which we saw the extra material. So there's actually a layer right up inside here, and it is not present on this filter. The whole reason that started this was this tear in this guy. Otherwise, I wouldn't have known. This guy had this tear right here, so didn't want to install it, and went to get this one at O'Reilly's and started looking. One of the biggest differences is this gasket is on upside down on this guy. So yeah, that's kind of scary. Completely on upside down. So I noticed they'd sold thousands of these, and you can actually get them now. I've seen them on eBay for like $50 for both fuel filters. And it just scares me for all the people out there that think they're buying OEM filters when they're not. They're buying, junk and putting them in their $100,000 truck. So I hope this video, raises some awareness with you guys, and just pissed me off whenever I got back on eBay and I couldn't return them because I bought them in June and the time limit was up, and the guy's still selling them. I didn't even bother to leave a comment or an email because I know he's not going to give me my money back. But frustrating. So be careful, guys. If you buy filters online, make sure you get them from a reputable source. I'll put the link in the description of where I ordered mine. I don't know yet. I just ordered them today, so I don't know if they're good. I will check them out and maybe do a follow-up video to let everyone know what happened with the online filters. I was hoping to save about, $40 a set. And again, we have 3 trucks, and we probably change the fuel filters 3 times a year. So, that's, $300-400 in savings. So anyway, I hope that helps you guys out some. I hope you learned something, and be careful where you buy your filters from, because even though the packaging looks, the damn packaging looks identical. And actually the instructions in the, these instructions in the crappy one is actually printed on a nice cardstock, thick, heavy paper, whereas the aftermarket one, or the original one, is a really thin paper. So I thought that was odd that they would go to the trouble to, print that on a thicker, more expensive paper. But everything is identical. The colors, everything. They've got it down. So had that little guy not been torn, I wouldn't have known, and would have put the other filters on, and that could be a really big deal. So trash, and trash. Freaking ridiculous. I hate that. So good luck, guys. Hope you learned something, and not my normal videos. That's going to be my normal video. We'll show you guys installing these pieces. Got them back from paint, and then got these guys back from paint. So the airplane will finally be back on the ground soon. Got the struts done as well. So anyway, thanks for watching, and see you next time. Hey guys, thanks for watching another episode of Dad and Chad.
If you like this video, share it with your friends and give us a thumbs up.
And never miss an episode of Dad and Chad by hitting that subscribe button.
Because we'll be back next Tuesday with another episode.
Thanks again for watching
Dad
and Chad.